Hello guys, this is Andy. In new energy vehicle industry, the battery and motor system are relatively heavy, and the trend of vehicle lightweight is constantly strengthening. How to solve this contradiction perfectly? The answer is aluminum profile. Aluminum is a FCC structure with high plasticity. Adding a certain amount alloy elements and using heat treatment to strengthen aluminum, which can maintain the advantages such as lightweight, but also have high strength. It is an ideal structural material with a wide range of uses. Today we come to Dongguan Yihede Profile Division to know about industrial aluminum profile. Let's go. This area is profile processing workshop, and you can see here is so many high accuracy profile processing equipment. The processing accuracy is as low as ±0.05 mm, and the repetitive positioning accuracy is as low as ±0.02 mm per liter. These are the multiple customized PDB profile composite machining centers. The dual station design can improve the productivity and efficiency, and also save space. The processing equipments here also include high-speed cutting saws, full automatic cutting saws, cutting machine capable of cutting any angle, laser cutting machines, plate engraving machines, CNC, milling machines, and so on. Do you think this video is helpful to you? Please give us a like or subscribe to support us. And you see this large number of aluminum profiles behind me? In 2022, the total annual shipment volume of aluminum profiles here is more than 50,000 tons. And the average daily order volume is around 2 million RMB. Now we have arrived at the warehouse, and let's see what it is stored here. There are 2,000 tons of raw materials that can meet more than 95% of the kinds of long-term stock, more than 800 types of aluminum profile products, and more than 1,500 types of product accessories. Basically meeting the needs of automation equipment field, and comply with RoHS certification and EU export standards. Finally, we have come to the assembly segment that everyone loves to see. Here is the area of products related to the profile application, with a professional assembly team that over 115 steps. Because aluminum profile has the advantages of lightweight and high strength, it is widely used in mechanical manufacturing, transportation machinery, power machinery, and other industries. You can see that there are assembly of profile frame, sheet metal hood, workbench, and others, as well as cantilever control box, and various conveyor lines. Do you want to know more about aluminum profile? Leave us your comment in comment area. We have the top professional engineers to answer for you.